In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an event on the ComeTogether ticket marketplace. Once you're logged into ComeTogether, click on the Create Event button on the left side of your screen. Start by entering the name of your event, then proceed to upload your event poster and provide the three different sizes displayed: cover, thumbnail and social media. Next, choose the category that best describes your event and define the currency for your ticket sales. In the section below, set both the start and end times for your event and your ticket sales. Decide if you'd like ticket sales to begin immediately upon event publication or on a specific date. Lastly, add the description of your event, add some tags, and click Next. Moving to the next page, let's detail the event's location. Enter the venue name and all the other information will be filled in automatically. If not, feel free to add these manually. The map will also automatically update based on the information you provide. Here you can opt to use dynamic QR code tickets for secure and trackable event access. By activating your event, it will be visible on the ComeTogether ticket marketplace once you'll finish the setup. Decide if you want to display the number of tickets left and if you'd like to allow ticket transfers or resales. If you allow ticket resales, you also get to decide on the commission you receive every time a resale is performed. Choose the voucher type of your ticket, single or taxed, and proceed. On the ticketing page, we'll create two different categories for demonstration: Early Bird and Phase 1 tickets. Enter the ticket name and set its price. Specify the total number of tickets available and the purchase limit per individual. Decide whether to activate this ticket type right away or keep it on hold. Determine the sales start and end times. This could be immediate or scheduled for a specific date and time. Since we added two or more ticket categories, there is a new option on each that comes into play. This allows us to automatically activate a ticket category the moment the previous one becomes sold out. In our example, we said that once the early bird tickets are sold out, Phase 1 gets automatically activated. If you wish to delete a ticket category, simply click on the Remove button associated with it. On the final page, you have the option to assign ticket validators by clicking on the plus icon and input their email addresses. Validators can authenticate tickets at the entrance by using the ComeTogether Scanner app, which is available on both iOS and Android. Once you're done, click Finish and your event is live on the ComeTogether ticket marketplace.